We are now going to learn how to make a sound on your clarinet. First step is we're going to take our mouthpiece with the reed and form our embouchure. We're going to curl the lip, gently put our top teeth on the top of the mouthpiece, and have the corners of our mouth firm and forward. Now we're going to do the same thing with our mouthpiece on the instrument. There are two really important things to think about when you're getting set up. How much mouthpiece is in your mouth, and how strong or weak our embouchure is. If we have too much mouthpiece, it'll sound like this. Not enough. Biting, or too much embouchure. And then too loose. You're going to have to do a little bit of troubleshooting in order to find out where it fits right for you. And as soon as you find that sweet spot, the instrument should be really easy to play.